So how to convert video to GIFs on your iPhone? For that you have to select your shortcut on your iPhone. Press on it and go to gallery. Then you have to search GIF and select this one. Create a GIF from a live photo or video. Select this one and add shortcut, and now go to your shortcut option. Choose fast on and now upload a video. Now GIFs are ready to download it. This is the GIF image. So if you want to download it on your gallery, press on this icon and save image, then press on done. Go to your gallery now, and this is the GIF. This is how you can easily convert video as a GIF on your iPhone without any third-party apps. Thank you.